From our team to yours, we wanted to welcome everybody at the Lakers to Pedal Electric. In this short video, we'll walk through the basic safety instructions, guidelines, and answer the most common questions we hear from new riders before your first ride. These steps are important and will help you ride safely and confidently. Number 1, handlebar safety. First and foremost, check your handlebar tightness. Whether your bike was professionally assembled or built at home, make sure all 4 handlebar bolts are tightened in a hex pattern. If these bolts aren't secured, the bars can shift when coming to a stop. It's crucial to check these bolts regularly. Tight bars equal safe rides. Number 2, brakes. If a lever pulls all the way in, it means your system is low on mineral oil. This isn't a major issue. Any bike shop can help. Or you can buy a kit online. It's only a problem if it's ignored. Brake pads should be inspected every 500 miles. We recommend visiting a local shop to replace or adjust them. Number 3, tires and wheels. Your wheels should spin smooth and straight. If you see wobbling on side to side or up and down, they need to be serviced. Before checking your wheels, make sure your tires are properly inflated. When inflating, check the tires are evenly seated on the rim, no bulges or edges protruding. If your wheels become untrue or the spokes loosen, avoid trying to fix them unless you have the proper tools and experience. For best results, have all wheel maintenance done by a certified, reputable bike mechanic. Number 4, accessories, straps, and hardware. Before every ride, give your bike a quick once-over. Make sure all hardware, accessories, and straps are secured and installed according to the manufacturer's instructions. Also, take a moment to check that the handlebar wires and connectors are fully plugged in. Number 5, battery safety and charging. Make sure your battery is fully charged and functioning properly. The battery gauge on your display and the indicator on the battery should read similarly. The battery must be locked correctly onto the frame before you ride. Always plug your charger from both the wall and the battery before heading out. And always switch the battery off before charging or removing it. When charging, plug the charger into the battery first, then plug it into the outlet. When the charger light turns green, it's fully charged. Unplug from the outlet first, then from the battery. Critical warning, never let your battery charge overnight. This helps avoid overheating and keeps your battery healthy long term. Number 6, all-wheel drive motor control. Your all-wheel drive system comes in 3 modes. Right is rear wheel, middle is all-wheel drive, left is front wheel. We recommend riding primarily in rear wheel mode. Once you're off to a safe speed, switch the middle position and activate both motors. All-wheel mode gives an extra torque for hills, carrying passengers, or quick acceleration. To power on your bike, hold the power button for about 3 seconds until the display lights up. Your bike has 5 levels of pedal assist. Use the up and down arrows to adjust properly. Number 8, headlight operations. Hold the plus button down to turn on night mode. This lights up your display, the halo light ring on the headlight, and it also illuminates the brake light on the battery, so when you come to a full stop, it lights up. For full brightness, press the headlight button. Number 9, gear shifter. The all-wheel drive features a 9-speed gear shifter on the right handlebar. Use it to make pedal assist easier or harder depending on the terrain or riding conditions. Number 10, keys. You receive 2 sets of keys. Each set includes 1, a long key for the battery, and 2, a short key for the front tire motor lock. It also includes a motion sensor fob to lock your battery and bike at any time. Number 11, suspension adjustment. The all-wheel drive has adjustable front suspension. Use the knob on the fork to finely tune the rebound depending on how firm or soft you want your ride. 12, throttle safety. The bike comes with a half-twist throttle and is always active when the bike is powered on. Be mindful of when getting on and off the bike. 13, security recommendations. For security, we recommend insuring your bike, placing an AirTag in a discreet location, and using a high-quality lock, such as a kryptonite. Number 14, warranty. Your bike comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, covering all electrical components, including motor, controller, and display. Any modifications to the electrical system or unimproved add-ons can void this warranty. Thanks for watching, and welcome again to the Pedal Electric community. Ride safe, have fun, we'll see you out there.